जय श्री राधे। प्रोग्रेसिव शॉर्टहैंड पैसेजेस लीगल एक्सरसाइज 10 पेज नंबर 21 डिक्टेशन स्टार्ट। The higher judicial service in Delhi the mode of selection was written test and viva voce 250 marks were assigned for written test and 750 marks prescribed for viva voce test When the advertisement was given, there was no stipulation prescribing minimum marks cut-off marks at viva voce test. After the written test was held, the persons who qualified the written test were called for interview. Interview was, however, postponed by the interview committee, and it felt that it was desirable to prescribing minimum marks for the viva voce test as well. The matter was placed before the full court, and full court resolved to fix minimum qualifying marks in viva voce, which were 55% for general category, 50% for SC/ST candidates. After this change was affected in the criteria, thereby prescribing fixation of minimum qualifying marks. The interviews were held. The petitioners in that case were not selected as they secured less than 55 marks. Those two petitioners filed the writ petition submitting that prescribing minimum cut-off marks in the viva voce test after the selection process had started when there was no such stipulation at the time of initiation of recruitment process was unwarranted and impermissible. The court, taking notice of its earlier judgments in Leeladhar versus State of Rajasthan, held that when the previous procedure prescribing minimum marks was not permissible, and at all after the written test was conducted, the ratio of the case in summed up in paragraph 15 of the judgment as there is no manner of doubt that the authority making rules regulating the selection can prescribe by rules the minimum marks both for written examination and viva voce, but if minimum marks are not prescribed for viva voce before the commencement of selection process, the authority concerned cannot either during the selection process or after the selection process add an additional requirement qualification that the candidate should also secure minimum marks in the interview. Therefore, this court is of the opinion that prescription of minimum marks by the respondent and viva voce test was illegal. This very argument based on the aforesaid judgment was taken in the LPAS before the High Court as well. However, the High Court took the view that the aforesaid judgment was not applicable in the instant case as the factual scenario was altogether different in this particular case. Thank you.